Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can utilize the reading list or reading mode feature on Brave browser to read through your favorite websites using the reading tool. It is actually very simple. So what you want to do guys is launch the Brave browser, and in the first step you'll need to make sure that your sidebar here to the left or to the right is enabled. For instance, as you can see, mine is enabled whenever I hover my mouse over that left edge of the display. If you somehow don't see the sidebar guys, you will need to enable it first. To do that, click on these three lines in the top right corner, select settings from that drop down menu here. Inside your browser settings, head over to appearance, scroll all the way down, and here under sidebar simply enable it by clicking on that arrow down icon and by selecting always or on mouse over if you'd like to use the setup I use. So guys, once your sidebar has been enabled, simply hover your mouse over it or simply enable it directly. So I do that for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, you will see that sidebar here. So to access the reading list, guys, simply click on that book icon here to access it. And here you find all websites opened in the given tab as a reading list so that you may read through the content without all of that additional stuff on the given website. So that's how you use the reading list feature on Brave. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.